This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gabrielle Channel. Your Key West Tropical Oasis awaits you. This exquisite property has everything for your family and friends' entertainment. The main house offers 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, complete open floor plan with a loft, new air conditioner. As you walk through the front door, the home boasts high ceilings, lots of natural light, plantation shutters, wood-burning fireplace and large tiles on the diagonal. Enjoy cooking with a view from your open kitchen with gas stove on a cooking island, beautiful granite and corian countertops, built-in oven and pass-through to the covered patio deck. Home also offers convenience of an additional small kitchen area on the first floor to accommodate the complete covered and screen-enclosed entertainment room with amazing views of canal. The entertainment room also offers granite countertops and bar area. The bells and whistles don't stop there. Home comes complete with a renovated guest house, which offers 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom, also with amazing views of the canal and boat dock. Fish from your brand new dock, installed with a new 13 kLB boat lift. Bridge free. Take advantage of the all-access waterways. This tropical compound location along this wide canal provides you access to the Myakka River, only 10 minutes to the Charlotte Harbor, and on out to the Gulf of Mexico. Conveniently located just minutes to North Port Aquatic Center, Charlotte Sports Park, training home of the Tampa Bay Rays, and new Cool Today Park in North Port, the training home of the Atlanta Braves. Next door lot can be sold with property for an additional $75,000. For more information, review the details below.